Hello, everyone. Hi, welcome to my office of pendulum, telekinesis, mystical mind control. So I've got a pair of metal tweezers hanging on some sewing string from my sewing kits. And allow me to demonstrate the awesome power of our mind. I'm not special. You can do this too. Okay? Everyone can do it. Okay? So I've got a nice grip. See if I can do fist on fist. Okay. I'm gonna be comfortable while I do it. Uh-oh, this thing started swinging. Um, okay, let me just let it untangle a bit. Okay, so I'm just gonna start. I'm gonna picture uh, counterclockwise, and hopefully you guys can see that I'm not like moving my hands to get it going. I'm just gonna stay as still as I can, and I'm gonna use my imagination and just envision the tweezers, aka my pendulum, moving. So first clockwise, and then we'll do counterclockwise. So I'm starting. Okay, I'm picturing a big circle. I'm picturing it moving in my mind along that circular path. There we go, it's already started. Beautiful. And you can see like these little ripples of energy like bubble down the sewing string. That's why I like sewing string instead of thicker yarn. You can like really see this ripple effect of energy traveling down the string. Okay, let me focus. Here we go. I'm gonna make it switch and go counter. To the sounds you love. Take your playlist and there with offline downloads, or play your song of the moment again and again with a get all the music without hearing audio ads on Spotify Premium. Tap Banner to learn more. There we go. Stay down. Sorry, my cat's. All right, so let's change directions. Why don't we do side to side, left to right? That's pretty easy to visualize. Yeah, there we go. You are getting sleepy. Very sleepy. All right, so let's do back and forth. 2 mean away from you. let's do counter again. Or clockwise. Let's do clockwise again. For some reason that's easier for me to envision. Okay, let's do back to back again. We try to do counter again. Beautiful. I feel like the longer I sit with it, the easier it is to connect with this pendulum and envision these emotions. Okay, and right, so let's make it stop. Okay, from this stop motion, let's do counter again. Etc., etc., etc. Thanks, guys.